Hello, welcome back. I'm doing a vlog this weekend. Just a lot to share and catch up on. I'm getting ready right now. On the agenda for today, I have to take Sophie to the vet. I need to wash my car and clean my apartment. I thought I would share a little bit of my makeup routine. I'm not really a makeup expert. I love these products from Merit because they make doing your makeup so easy. And they sent me some products. Who doesn't love some makeup unboxing? The first product I picked out, it's their Flush Balm in the color, I'm pretty sure it's their Beverly Hills because I always pick this. Okay, yeah, it's their Beverly Hills blush, and I only use cream blushes. Sometimes I'll use liquid blushes, but cream is my favorite. When I tell you, I always like hit the pan on this. Like, this is their other one, same color, Beverly Hills, and I've used it all the way down. It's like almost gone. So I was really excited when they sent me another one. Just like take a blush brush and I'll like go like this and just put it on my cheeks. And honestly, you could just put it on your skin directly if you want, but I like to take the brush and just brush it along my cheeks, so it just adds a nice summery glow to your look and it looks very natural. This is their Brow 1980 volumizing pomade. So this is really nice to have if like you want to keep your brows in place. They have a lot of different colors and shades. I love Merit's packaging. It's such like a clean girl aesthetic, and I love keeping my makeup like nice and simple and clean. So I'm just gonna put a little bit just because my brows are already really thick and dark, so I don't want to add too much, but just enough to keep it in place. And then I got their signature lip in the color Ginger. I love their lipsticks. It's like my favorite because look at the packaging. It is stunning. It just feels so luxurious, and this is the color Ginger. It's a very natural color. I feel like it would go really well with like other lipsticks. So if you wanted to like layer it or wear it with other colors, I think it'd look really pretty. And it's a lot more pink on my lips than it looks on the actual stick. So I love that because I know my skin tone and light pinks look really good on me, which leads me to my next choice. It was their Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. And I know this looks like a really bright pink color, but it doesn't show up that bright on your lips when you put it on. But I think it adds just like that nice gloss on top of the ginger lipstick color, and it just makes your lips really glossy and smooth. I love Merit so much. I'm going to link all the products I unboxed here in the description below. And the best part about Merit is they're a clean brand and they're cruelty free, so that's really important to me, especially when you're putting these products on your face every day. So Merit is absolutely the way to go. If you haven't tried them yet, what are you doing? Click on the link below, go to Sephora. But yeah, thank you so much, Merit, for again sending me those products. I'm going to finish up my makeup. I just need to put some mascara on. But while I'm doing this, I can talk. So yesterday I went to the coolest event ever, my first like influencer event. And it was through TikTok. So if you don't know already, I have a BookTok account, which I've kind of kept a little hush-hush just because it's my safe place and it's just really special to me. Definitely started it just for fun, but it ended up growing a lot quicker than I thought it would. And I really don't even have that many followers on there. Like, truly, I was shocked I got an invite from TikTok and I really thought it was a scam. I almost didn't go because I was like, what is this event? Why am I getting this email? And I just decided to go like for the heck with it, and it ended up being such an amazing event. Like, I felt so special, so VIP. There were so many other like huge amazing creators there and authors that were signing books. There was an open bar with bespoke like cocktails, hors d'oeuvres, food getting passed around. You can take content with the authors, get their books signed. There was an entire book wall and you can just go up and grab books. It was insane. I left with like 3 totes of books. I genuinely left on a high. My heart was so full. I just felt like I made so many cool friends, and like, I love books so much. I love reading. So the fact that I got to go to an event like that just felt so amazing. I truly was like saying a prayer in the car on the way home, like, thank you God for just all the amazing things like that I get to experience. That was that, and then I have today with all of my errands I have to run, and then tomorrow I'm going to a wellness event. I decided to curl my hair. I need a haircut. Look how long my hair is, and this is it curled. When it's straight, it's like down to my butt. So I scheduled an appointment to Sophie! I scheduled an appointment to get my hair cut next week. So I have to return a pair of shoes to Adidas, and I'm really sad about it because I really like the colorway on these ones, and this was my first time ordering Adidas, and I guess their sizing is just terrible. Like, you have to order either a half or a full size down or 1.5 full size down. So I ordered 2 different colors, and they're always sold out on their website. Like, these are a hot commodity. These are just like the trending shoe, and I paid. And I'm really sad because I love them, but they're these handball spezials, and I love the colorway, and they don't have my size. I'm a size 6.5 in women's, and I need a 4.5, and they don't have it on their website. But the good news is I did find these ones on ASOS, and I love the colorway on these. I'm keeping these. I just really wish that I could have both. I don't need 2 sneakers, really I don't. I just really loved the lighter neutral color on this, but it's just a little too much toe room. To my neighbor in Trader Joe's. I think that's like the 2nd time that's happened. First time I saw her, but we were like at different registers, so I didn't say anything. This time I was like super in the zone, like head down, and she's like, Anna? Whenever I go grocery shopping, I always get takeout or like food because I don't want to cook when I do grocery shopping. Got some food from this Mediterranean grill. I got a gyro and some fries, and then I got like one of the baklavas. They're so good. They just have the best food, and then they have like this healthy soda. I don't know if it's actually healthy, but it's supposed to be healthier than regular soda. It's stubborn soda, and I got the vanilla agave flavor. I already took everything out of the bag, but just real quick, I got some sourdough bread. I've never tried these before, but they're strawberry sodas, so hopefully this is like a healthier alternative. I got some cherries, some bananas for my smoothies. I've never had this before, but it says chicken piccata. I thought this would be nice to make with like some rice, salad, veggies, I don't know. I just got a chicken wrap because, oh, how sad, I totally grabbed the wrong one. Whatever, at least I can try something new. These are just super easy to have during lunch while I'm working during the week. This vegetable stir fry that goes really well. Sheila actually influenced me to get this. Whatever she made, it looked really good, so I had to get it. And then I have been notorious for eating Chick-fil-A breakfast like every day last week, and it's a terrible habit. I really don't eat big breakfasts, but I usually just have toast, so I wanted to get like these chicken breakfast sausage patties, which I've never tried, but I feel like they'll be good. Some eggs, some baby salad spring mix, half and half for my coffee, and then I love these seaweed snacks, so just something to have in the pantry. For dinner, I got this baklava. That's like a sweet treat if you've never had a baklava. Really good. Some garlic fries, and ooh, they like separated it in 2. I got a Euro wrap, and it comes with a little side salad. So I'm really excited to eat. This place is amazing, and they give you a ton of like good different sauces. So I think this is like a avocado kind of sauce, and then this is a peri peri sauce, and just a ton of ketchup for the french fries. So I'm going to put the phone away and eat. Good morning, it's Sunday. I'm on my way to a sweat and shop event. It's a workout event in Newport at the Fashion Island Mall, and then afterwards there's a private shopping with Lululemon. I woke up this morning incredibly tired because the night before I only got an hour or two of sleep. Definitely felt like I could have slept in more this morning, but I was like, you know what, get up, because I know your future self is going to be thankful that you got up and did a workout. I'm excited. It just took me a good 2 hours to fully wake up because I was so tired this morning. I did get a coffee. I have that ridiculous straw in there right now because all of the syrup was sitting at the bottom and I needed something to mix it with, and that was the only straw I had in my car. Honestly, shouldn't even be holding my camera, but it's fine. Really happy the sun came out because it was really foggy this morning, but I knew the sun was going to come out. I had so much freaking fun. That workout was killer, and it was so cool because it was actually the owner of Bunda that was there teaching the courses. It was really cool to hear his story. The workout was 50 minutes and it started off pretty mellow, and then by the end of the workout I was genuinely sweating my butt off and just really struggling to keep up. So I'm definitely going to be sore in the morning. After the workout we went to Lululemon where we had a private shopping event, so that was really cool. They had other vendors there. Celsius was there, Sweet Green, a couple other places. That was really cool. And then I did get something from Lululemon that I'll show you guys in a minute. And then afterwards I went to brunch with two other girls that I had actually met at a previous event. So we decided to go get lunch over at Joey Newport, and I'm just so excited, but not for the reason you think I am. I found out that one of the girls, the girl that I went to lunch with, she goes to adult gymnastics classes. And if you don't know this about me, I grew up doing gymnastics for like 10 years of my life, and I love that sport with every fiber of my being. And I always grew up like wishing I could go back, and even in college I did cheer because I missed gymnastics so much. And I knew there were open gyms where you can pay like a flat fee just to like use the floor, use the equipment, bars, beam, but I didn't know there were actual classes. So first thing I do when I get home is I am signing up for those classes because I miss gymnastics so freaking much, and it's all different levels, so I just can't wait to get back in the gym. Did get a second coffee because my other one just completely melted, and this one's starting to melt too, which I'm really sad about. But let me show you guys what came in our little Lululemon bags. So I actually grabbed two because there were a lot of people that didn't show up. There were probably like 15 empty mats, and the girl next to me was like, grab the extra one. So I was like, okay, why not? So in the bags we have little Bunda fanny packs, and then we got to keep these bands that actually kicked our butts when we were working out, and it just says Bunda on it. And then we got like water bottles, we got a little sweatband. I actually love wearing these. And then we have a little electrolyte packets, a pen. They gave us like discounted memberships if we wanted to sign up. We have a little Bunda scrunchie. And then one of the other vendors was there and I grabbed a hat from them. It's called Pause. I think they do like ice baths and saunas. They were giving away like totes and water bottles, but I was like, the last thing I need is another tote and water bottle because I'm actually running out of room in my apartment for things. Sweet Green was there and they gave us these little treats. And then at the private shopping event, I purchased just like a plain white cami. I don't know if I'm going to keep it just because when I tried it on, it was pretty see-through. So I'm going to get some pasties and see if it's still see-through or if you can see the pasties. But I've been needing a white cami because I have a black one, but I don't have a white one. And I want to wear it with some of my outfits on my trip coming up. So yeah, I'm going to drive home. It's like a 20-30 minute drive and take Sophie on a walk and just spend the rest of the day at home relaxing, cleaning. I did clean a lot last night, so that's good. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to pull my hair back in a bun. I've been sweating and wearing that stupid hat all day, and you know when just like you wear a hat for too long you just start to feel so gross. Such a gorgeous day out too. It's 86 degrees and sunny in Orange County, and honestly I can only imagine how hot it is inland. Like it probably has to be, am I going the right way? Yeah, I am. It's probably like 105 degrees where my parents live, just because it's so warm here. And I feel like Orange County, obviously, it's just always a lot cooler because we're by the ocean, at least on the coast. Oh, it's just amazing. Okay, going to stop vlogging and play some music. Tonight for dinner, I'm having sushi. Whenever it's really hot out, I always crave sushi. And I'm just so excited to eat right now because I haven't eaten since, honestly, this morning. Oh my gosh, so good. Ooh!
Each per year. I named you.
You gotta be kidding me. Lewis is gonna be the deciding vote.
Not to be dramatic, but I feel like I could pass out. My legs are like, they tickle because of how hard that workout was. I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys where you just work out really hard and your muscles kind of tickle. That probably sounds silly, but that's how I feel right now. I probably should drink some more water and just make sure I really stretch out my muscles. I don't mean to get on my soapbox, but I just feel so incredibly blessed and lucky. Like this has been, hands down, one of the best years I've ever had. I feel like I've just made so many new friends this year. I've really pushed myself outside of my comfort zone to try new things, make sure I'm going to new places, spending time with family, talking to my friends more. And yeah, I'm just really thankful, and even just today just made me feel how lucky and blessed I am to live in such a beautiful area. Yeah, anyways, I think I'm probably just going to drink more water and rot here on this couch for the next couple hours. I genuinely am exhausted. Are you exhausted too? Are you exhausted too? I need to get up and get some water.